Induction ceremony of Megha, Sakhti women Commando warriors of SF-10 was held today at Mawiong Parade Ground, in which Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended the induction ceremony as chief guest along with Home Minister Lakmin Rimboy, guest of honor in the presence of Chief Secretary D.P. Watlang, DGP L.R. Bishnoi and officials. Speaking at the occasion, Home Minister said Meghalaya police have travelled a long way in the last 50 years with the commitment that they have shown and their ability to respond if any situation arises in the state.
Meghalaya Police has traveled a long journey for the last 50 years, and we have seen the commitment of the Meghalaya Police. We have seen that they have shown the ability to deal with any situation arise in the state of Meghalaya. They have shown not only the state of Meghalaya, wherever the country needs them, they have shown that they capability and ability.
Chairman